welcome to another beautiful video. In the last video we started to climb on this mountain, and this is what we're gonna continue in the second part right now. So thanks for clicking on this video. I hope you're gonna enjoy this adventure. As you see, we are already very high up. This adventure already goes for multiple hours that we did in the first part. And we are already very close to the tree line, and as you see, already a lot of snow. The snow is also getting slowly deeper, but as you see, it's very old snow and it's also very icy. There wasn't any new snow in weeks. Here we arrived at a little ice fall over the trail. Because I didn't bring my crampons accidentally, I decided to walk around instead of over it because it's just way too slippery. I really enjoy snow and ice, but it's always important to be prepared for it. Forgetting my crampons was a very big mistake I did, and I'm definitely not going to make this mistake again. At this point we are already on this adventure for 3 to 4 hours I think, and we have still over 1 hour to go. And at this point I wasn't expecting how hard it will get within the next 30 minutes. A little place to fill your water bottle, but it's completely frozen. While the first hours of this adventure went pretty easy, I slowly started to feel the exhaustion. One of my legs started to hurt and I didn't know why, but I still had enough energy and motivation to continue. Sometimes on adventures like this you just reach points where it gets hard and you need to just keep going to reach your goal.
The snow gets deep.
The nature and especially the silence that comes with it is just very beautiful in this place. A few minutes later I'm already much higher up, and as you see the light already shines a bit different because the sun already starts to slowly going down.
I'm very exhausted right now. I don't know why. I'm not sweating and my legs also don't hurt, but my back is killing me, and yeah, there's nothing I can do about it. And still quite a walk to the peak, but I'm optimistic that we will make it, hopefully.
After my very motivating words, I just kept going. My leg doesn't hurt anymore, but my back started to hurt. My body just doesn't want it that I climbed this mountain, but I didn't care and kept going. The terrain here slowly gets very steep, and together with the deep snow it gets very exhausting now.
Sadly you can see it in the video, but up there over the peak are a lot of birds. I can see what type of birds, but very beautiful.
The view here is just too beautiful.
I'm resting here right now. It's about 1 hour or something to the peak. That may be a bit longer because of the snow, but I'm doing my best to go there as fast as possible. Because it's winter and it gets dark soon, of course. Like it's lunchtime right now, but in the afternoon it gets dark, so I should hurry a bit. Like I have a headlamp, but I still should hurry. I don't want to be here while it's dark. I want to get at least down in the forests. I'm now finding my own way. I left the trail and found my own way through the snow. But I keep myself near these trees because the snow is not that deep here, but like it's deeper there. But it's still not easy, and I put this on so I don't get snow in my shoes. I already got a little bit snow in my shoes, but it's really not much. And yeah, it's getting late. I think it's 1 p.m. or something, so I need to hurry a bit. But it's still enough time to do this today, and because I rested a bit, I now have also a bit more energy for this hike, and it's a bit more easier now for me. Yeah, we will see how it will go, and I will update you. So it's not easy. It's I don't know. I'm nearly there. You can see, it's hard to see, but like there's a ridge, and then I'm nearly there. Then it's not much going up. It's more like I need to go to the left to a cabin. It's much harder than I thought, but yeah, we will make it. So we are at the ridge. There is a peak. I visited this in summer, but this is not our goal today. Like I'm happy that we are already on the ridge here, but there, it's hard to see, but like on the highest point, far away, there's a cabin. It's closed, but there is a winter shelter, and I want to go there. If it gets too late before we reach it, I will go back. Like, of course, our destination is the cabin, but alone, like getting on this mountain is also a great achievement. Oh, my leg. Fucking leg. Oh yeah. That's quite beautiful. Look at this, you can see everything. Yeah, the last time I was here was in summer, and when I did this, it was very cloudy, very foggy and windy, and rain, everything. We're getting this beautiful view. Yeah, really nice, really nice. I think I need to put my sunglasses on. Yeah, Yeah, now we need to think what we do. I will look at which time is it and then decide if we go up there, but I think we won't do this because my leg hurts too much, and because of that we won't do this probably. I never was that high up in the winter, so it's still a great achievement. So I made a decision, guys. So I decided to not go up there because it's way too late, and like I could still do it, but it would not be very enjoyable. I wouldn't have much time up there because I can't go back from there when it's dark. It's way too dangerous because this could be very slippery and stuff, and I don't want to do this in the dark, and like I want to enjoy all this and not be so much stressed. So I have a way better idea. I hope you like it. We will go this way to the other summit I showed you a bit earlier, because there it's not far, it's like 10 minutes, and from there we can probably enjoy a very nice sunset. A very nice sunset, and then I will go down there in the dark, and that is totally possible.
After making my decision, I went on my way to this other peak in the hopes that I get a very beautiful sunset there. And here I tripped and nearly fell down the mountain. So this is how easy you can do something wrong, and if it goes bad, lose your life because of this. So always be careful when you're on the mountains. If you enjoyed this adventure so far, I would be very happy if you like and subscribe, so you also see the next adventures. And there definitely will be some. Thank you. And now just look at this beautiful view. You can see so many mountains and different places from up here near the summit course. On one side of the summit course we have this box. There is a book inside where you can write your name in to prove that you were on this mountain.
And signs of people that died here. A lot, I don't know, like the newest one is from 2020. I don't know if you can see it. Like, the first plan was for us to go there, and it would still be possible to do it, but the problem is that it wouldn't be enjoyable. Like, if we would do this, we would be still up there when it's dark. Yeah, it's enjoyable, and I think instead of going there and let this hike be absolutely torture, we just stay here because we have here this very nice bench, a very nice bench, and yeah, here I will enjoy some food, something to drink, but like later we need to go down, so it's not completely over. So it will get dark any minute, the sun is setting. I'll put some more clothes on because it will get very cold, and my headlamp because yeah, I need to see. So I will take my stuff and go down there. It was a very nice adventure. It was a lot of fun, and recording this for you was also a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this, but it's not over because we need to go down. It gets dark very fast, and I go down here. There's the summit where we were. I go down here. We'll go down there, and then soon I'm back at the trail. The only problem is that I feel extremely cold on my fingers, but I have another pair of gloves with me, so if it gets too worse, I can take the other gloves, and I have to. I don't want to lose my fingers. I made my way down. The sun is setting. It was a bit cold right now because the cold air comes the mountain down, and I was covered in snow a few minutes ago, but still very good. Still multiple hours until we're back. That's the thing. I think if we are fast, 2 to 3 hours. If we are slow, 4 hours. Or maybe, yeah, 2 to 3 is more realistic. 2 to 3 hours. So it will be definitely completely dark. Yeah, it's getting dark. We're still not completely in the forest. Still a lot of snow, but we are on our way, and we will be home soon.
In general, I really enjoy the mountains, nature in general, when it's nighttime. But when you do this for hours in the cold, it sometimes gets a little bit depressing. For me, this adventure wasn't over here. I still had over 2 hours to go until I'm home. But from here on, nothing special happened. So this video ends here for you. I hope you really enjoyed this adventure, and I hope you will be also there on my next adventures. Thank you for watching.